Hello guys and welcome to another video. You are watching CV Teching live here. So in this video today we are going to discuss about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. So I request you guys to see this video till end because this video is going to be quite interesting. So without any further ado, let's get into the video guys and get started. So first of all, let's talk about the design of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. So it is going to have a full view display with minimal bezels around. And if we talk about the back of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4, it is going to have a glass back with a single lens camera on the back. So this is it from the design sector. Now let's talk about the specifications of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4, and I hope that will make you say wow. So first of all, let's start with the display of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. So it is rumored that it is going to have a 10.5 inches of Super AMOLED Quad HD display with a full vision, meaning that it is going to have the maximum screen to body ratio, and there are going to be much more less thick bezels compared to the last version of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S series. Getting to the next news, the heart of this device is going to be the octa-core Snapdragon 835 mobile platform CPU with Adreno 540 GPU. So the chip which it is going to receive is going to be the Snapdragon 835 from last year, along with 4 GB of DDR4 RAM, and it is going to have 64 GB of internal memory, which is also going to be expandable by a memory card up to 256 GB. Let's talk furthermore. So it is going to have an Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box software. And now let's talk about the cameras for this device. So it is going to have 13 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front facing camera, and in my opinion that's enough for a tablet because the tablet is not used that much for the photography. It is mainly used for the media consumption, and Samsung is providing an excellent display for that. One more good feature which is going to be a part of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 is going to be its iris scanner. So yes, you heard me right, Samsung is going to provide you an iris scanner for a next level security in their upcoming tablet, which is going to be the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4, so that it can compete to the facial recognition system of the next iPad, which will have a competition with Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. Last but not the least, let's talk about the battery which is going to power this beast, and it is said that it is going to be a 7300 mAh battery, and you are getting the option of fast charging with it as well. And yes, Samsung is not as greedy as Apple, so they will provide you fast charging out of the box, and you don't have to spend any extra buck to buy a separate fast charger. So this was it from today's video guys. If you people enjoyed this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel by pressing that subscribe button. So peace out.